Hi, I'm disability lawyer David Brannon. In this video, I'm going to cover what are long-term disability benefits. By the end of this video, you'll have a high-level view of what these types of benefits are and whether you might be eligible for them. Now, if you like the video, please go ahead and hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll get notice of our videos that come out once or twice a week. So what are long-term disability benefits? So we know that long-term disability benefits are monthly payments that you can get for a permanent disability. But what do you have to do to be eligible? Well, for first, you have to have a permanent disability that makes you incapable of working. The second eligibility, though, is that you have to be a covered person under a plan that offers these benefits. In Canada, not everyone is entitled to get long-term disability. It's only for people who are members of a plan or an insurance policy that offers these benefits. So there are two types of plans in Canada. There are group long-term disability plans that are often part of group benefits programs that are offered in various workplaces. That's what most people have. You will have long-term disability benefits through a group benefits plan, and that's how you would access them. You would become eligible because you're a member of that plan and through that employer. The other type are individual plans. Now, you would have to go and buy these plans from an insurance broker yourself. That's common for business people, professionals, self-employed people. Because they're not employed anywhere, they will go and buy these plans directly, and then they'll be covered as long as they pay the premiums. So let's assume that you're covered under one of these plans. How do you go about getting benefits? Well, you have to apply to get the benefits from whoever administers the plan. That's usually an insurance company. There is standard paperwork that all plans have that basically follows the same formula. There's going to be a form you fill in to give notice that you want to make a disability claim. There's a form that either comes from your employer or a statement about your business activities that you would send in, or if it's from your employer, they would send it in. Then the third piece is a medical report from your doctor that would go to the plan. All disability plans basically follow that same procedure, that you have to submit these forms, and then what happens is someone at the insurance company reviews them and makes a decision to approve or deny your claim. Not everyone's going to get approved for these benefits, and they really decide them on a case-by-case basis. So if your claim is approved, then you will start getting monthly payments from the insurance company. These payments are going to vary depending on the specifics of your plan. There's usually two ways they can work. They'll either be based on a percentage of your income, either your net income or your gross income, depending on the plan. It'll be some percentage. That percentage is usually between 50 and like 75%. Now, the second way you can get benefits, and this is more common with individual plans, is that you'll just get a fixed payment amount. So the plan itself will say, if you get approved for disability, your monthly payment is like $5,000 or $7,000 or $2,000, whatever it is. It's not indexed to your actual income, it's a stated fixed amount. So how long can you get the benefits? Well, that depends on your plan. Don't assume that they go to age 65. That's what a lot of people think, and a lot of plans do go to age 65, but not all of them. So you have to look in the plan itself. It's called the benefit period. It can be as little as 2 years. It can be as long as to age 65, or it could be anything in between. It could be for 10 years or to age 65, whatever happens first. You really have to look at your plan itself and get a sense on how long it could last. So there you go. Now you have a general understanding about what are long-term disability benefits. You know that they're benefits paid through a program, usually a group plan or an insurance policy. They're administered by an insurance company. You're going to get paid a fixed amount of money or a percentage of your income, and these benefits can last as long as to age 65, but it can be shorter. There's an application process you're going to have to go through, and the insurance company will make decisions. If you don't agree with their decisions, all plans allow some avenues of appeal, and you can check other videos to learn more about that. So that's it. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to get in touch with our team. Also, hit the like button if you like this video. Please give us some comments, and we'll be glad to respond to you. And subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get these videos once or twice a week. And lastly, don't forget to download some of our free guides and other content, and you can see those in the links below.